Want to create a flip transition like this? Let's get started. First, import two photos into your timeline. Use the first clip as your main clip and the second clip as the overlay. Make sure you set the ratio according to your project. Next, select the second clip. Go to the mask menu and add a split mask. Then change the rotation to 90 degrees. After that, duplicate the first clip and place on the top layer as the third clip. Add a split mask again and set the rotation to 90 degrees. Now adjust the duration based on your preference. Here, I set it to 1 second. Next, duplicate the second clip and place it after the third clip. Trim the clip and set the duration to 1 second as well. Then trim the bottom clip to match the top clip duration. For the last clip, don't forget to enable reverse on the mask. After that, add an out animation using flip on the third clip. Then add in an animation using flip on the fourth clip. Play the video to check the result. Next, duplicate all the clips and place them after the first transition. Replace them with new clips based on your sequence. Play again to see the final result. And that's it. Your flip transition is ready. Simple, right? In the next video, we'll learn more editing techniques to improve your videos. So make sure to like, comment, follow, or subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.